Hey guys, how are you doing today? So this is where I left the drawing before, and as I said in my previous video, this isn't finished yet. I still want to make some area to be darker, like in the background and her face. I also want to smoothen out the entire shading, especially in the face area. And as you can see, there is some sort of a fade line in her forehead. I think it was from my scanner, so I'm going to fix that too. So in my earlier video, I mentioned that I didn't want to do the shading too dark. It's because when I'm fixing things or want to make the shading smoother, I need to do additional layer of shading, and that means I'm going to darken it. So if the initial shading is already dark, I can't do those fixing easily without making the final drawing appears too dark. The finishing stage is the most important step in my drawing. These things I do here might look like nothing, but in the end, it never fails to amaze me. Because even the smallest change here can make a big difference for the final drawing. So I think this drawing is finished. This is before and this is after the finishing stage. Even though I didn't do anything drastic, the difference is definitely there. The face looks smoother and the overall drawing feels more complete. So that's it. I hope you guys like the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and see you guys in the next drawing.